Failure, I chose to do the DC-10 Flight 191 crash. So during this crash, this engine right here had fallen off. So basically during this flight, as it was taking off during the runway, this engine over here, obviously that's a wheel, but over here, this engine during this takeoff had fallen off and then basically then just crashed into the ground afterwards. This was due to maintenance failure. So this is the pylon attach point to the wing, and this is the engine right here. And when they had to do maintenance on this engine, they were supposed to take off the engine and then the pylon. And they were doing maintenance that was required for the DC-10 that already has a bad reputation for malfunctions. So this was an updated procedure that they needed to do on engines, and they failed to do so by taking it all off as one piece. And when they took it off as all one piece, they failed to do some of the procedures that were required by the DC-10 company. These attach points were supposed to be detached and then reattached because something was wrong with the struts and needed to be replaced. So when they put it back together, instead of taking it apart and putting it back together how they should have, they took it off as one unit and then put it back. And then when it was taking off, the struts failed to stay on and then fell off. So basically this was a little bit of bad design, more or less bad maintenance, and not following procedures. But overall, it was just an engineering failure.